and welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to show you my IPSY BOXYCHARM for September 2023, and this is just the base box, and I do get the Beauty Boost, but I actually thinking about canceling that. But anyways, let's show you guys what I got, and I did do an add-on. So as always, they give you a little pamphlet. And I did notice this month that they have one of those scan things you could scan to learn about your picks and the products, probably the prices too, because they don't include it in this little pamphlet. But basically it's just like, well, they kind of include the prices on some of the items that you could have got, but this is just something they give to everyone, no matter what products you got. We'll show you guys what they chose for me and then products that I chose. So they chose the Laura Geller, it's called Laura's Essentials Soft Satin 6 Matte Eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. I don't think I ever got an eyeshadow palette from Laura Geller. I do know they were once a really popular brand. I feel like they're more popular on like the Home Shopping Network. But it's a cute little cardboard palette. It is pretty. And you do have 6 mattes and 2 highlighter shades. I did use the highlighter and I wasn't actually a fan because it's really sparkly. It had like glitter particles. But the matte seemed okay. I kind of mixed it with the other eyeshadow palette I got. So I didn't use it on its own, but it's not bad. It's okay. It's not like the most exciting palette ever to get and something like I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase, but it's not bad. And they did choose this for me, I believe, as well. It is the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Smoothing Treatment Lotion. So first I thought it was like a lotion, and I'm trying to figure out, is it for your face or your body? But it's a toner. And it says it is alcohol free and it is made for sensitive skin, and pretty much just use it as a toner. You could use it with a cotton round or just put it on your fingers, which that's what I've been doing, is just putting the toner like on my hands and patting it into my skin. And you do get a decent amount of product. I like the packaging. It's kind of cute. With the green, looks natural. It is fragranced. It kind of has like this perfumey fragrance kind of, but like more natural smelling, kind of like spa smelling. It is a thinner toner, like a liquid toner. I don't know, I enjoy the way it smells. To me, it's not bad. And I did try it today. It didn't irritate my skin or anything. It felt good. So yeah, I love getting my toners in this box. Now, I did choose these brushes because I always like getting brushes because, I don't know, I feel like never washing my brushes and always need brushes to use. But it's a 3-pack and the company is called Jasmine Beauty. So the brushes themselves seem fine, but they smell. These have a strong, like, chemical, like paint thinner type smell, very strong. As soon as I opened the little packet, you could smell it really strong. And I was really curious what other people were saying about it on the reviews, and almost every review was complaining about the smell. So yeah, it isn't just mine. I do have to wash these. The brushes themselves are fine. They're nice. I wouldn't say they're worth, I think the value is like $53. I do not think they're worth that much. I feel like, I don't know, they're just basic, I guess. But hopefully once I wash them, that smell goes away, because that is strong. Maybe it's the glue. I'm not sure, but whew. So I did choose this, the Danessa. I don't know why I can't say it. I see people talking about this brand all the time, but I don't know, I chose it because it's a little different. I've never tried anything from the brand, and it's a liner, but it's supposed to be like a chrome, and it's like a micro pencil. I didn't use it. I did swatch it. It is kind of cool. I don't know how often I would use this, honestly, though. I guess the other choices weren't that great, so I was like, you know what? I'll choose this. It's neat, it's different, and I do think they had an option of a different color too. Maybe as like an inner corner highlight or something, but I don't know, it's different. And it's in Lilac Quartz. And I also chose this one. It's Mo Beauty, and it is an eyebrow pencil in the shade Blonde. They only were offering one shade, and in the photo it looked like it would work for me because it looks more of a brown. So here's the color right here. It is a touch warm. I'll have to see how it does and looks in outside to see if it's like too warm, looks crazy, but so far it seemed okay. It seems a little more on the waxy side, but I don't know, it worked okay. And I needed a brow pencil. I'm all out of my brow pencil. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't look too crazy outside. And for my Beauty Boost, which I believe I pay a little over $13 a month. It is the old premium. It's replacing the premium. And I don't know, I feel like we've only had one good Beauty Boost where they have the Natasha Denona palettes, and other than that, it's always skincare. And you could choose between like 3 different skincare items. And yes, skincare does have a high price tag and you are saving money, but these are items we could get in the box, or we could buy usually in their store, in their shop, their pop-ups. I don't know. So I'm almost considering canceling the Beauty Boost because, yeah, I could get these products in my box. Like, why am I paying extra for it? But anyways, I chose the Herbivore Moon Dew. It's a retinol alternative eye cream. It has peptides and this other thing I've never heard of in it. I chose it because I did just use up one of my eye creams, and I don't know, I figured I would get it. It does have a purple hue to it. I did try it before I filmed this and it seemed fine. The purple hue is, you know, supposed to be good for brightening. It like looks thick in the pot, but once you blend it out, it kind of sinks into the skin and it feels light, like once you put it on the skin. So hopefully it does something. At least moisturizes under my eyes, helps prevent any wrinkles or anything like that. And then I did do an add-on. I don't always do add-ons, but this one, you know, was all right. And it was a little 2-pack for $18. I chose the Natasha Denona Alloy palette. It's the 5-pan eyeshadow palette, and it's not like the mini, it's like the $48 size. So I feel like for, you know, $18 getting these two isn't bad. And it is a basic like warm tone eyeshadow palette, but I thought this would be really cute for the fall, even the summertime. And I like these little Natasha Denona palettes, and I've gotten quite a few in like BOXYCHARM. I think I purchased a couple, but I don't know, I think they're cute. And I just like having them. So yeah, I chose this one. And I did use some of it today, and it performed like any other Natasha Denona palettes. They're really nice. And the set did come with some eyeshadow brushes from Beauty For Real. These ones smell a little bit too. They're not as strong as the other set. I don't know, maybe it's the bag that makes the brushes smell, like these little pouches. It's a really cute little brush set. They're brown. They're kind of like that matte finish, like NARS's products. And you do get 5 little brushes. My cat came to join me. You do get 5 little brushes, and I used most of them. A little liner brush. This one's, it says it's contour, but like a crease, a smaller crease brush, which is nice. An eyebrow brush, which I could use another one of these with the spoolie. And then a blender brush, which actually worked really good in the crease. And a little shader brush, which I used to pack on some shimmers. So yeah, it's not a bad little eye set. So overall, I do think I got some good products in this box, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, this is the best box ever. But it's decent. Anyways, guys, I'd love to know what you guys think of this box, and if you got the box this month, what do you think of your box? And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.